So you got to tell people what you're doing.
Hello everybody, my name is Harriet and today we're going to be making a parrot. First, you stick feathers inside for the tail and then you get 2 sticks and then you stick feathers on the sticks, okay? And you can only stick 2 feathers on the sticks, okay? If they fall off, just leave it. And then next, you wrap colored sellotape around like this, okay? You keep going until you get to the top, okay? It's not hard at all, okay? Well, it is hard when you're getting close to the top. When you're finished wrapping around the sellotape, chop it off with scissors. If you don't have scissors, you use your teeth or something, okay? Okay? When you've done that, you get a big when you've done that, you get a big one of these, and then you stick it on the top with sellotape, okay?
What bit's this?
When we're sticking on the head.
Oh, it's the head, is it?
Yeah. Okay? When you've stuck on that, you can get a little bit of 2 pieces of string. Okay? Make it all in a ball, okay? And then put it on sellotape, okay? Wait, put it on sellotape, and then it can be one of the eyes, okay? There's one eye. Now can get another eye, okay?
How many eyes do parrots have?
2.
2, okay.
Okay. Get the other eye. And you only need 2. Okay. It's kind of hard on this bit. There's 2 eyes done, okay? And then...
Any feet?
And then you get 2 sticks, the same color. Actually, you only need 1 stick, and you chop it a little bit, and then you cut it off. Cut off a piece.
Watch your fingers, watch your fingers.
And it's hard to cut it, but you can cut it. Okay? You need it to be small. You need both of them to be small. Okay?
Yep.
Okay? Have you done that? Yep. Okay. That's good. And then you need sellotape. That's kind of a bit too much. Sellotape. Again. Okay, I'll just chop it off because I won't be able to roll it back up. Okay. Then you get then you chop the sellotape in half. Okay. And then you put one of the feet on the sellotape, and then you stick it on the bottom. Okay. If it needs, you don't really need much sellotape, okay? But it's okay if you get a lot. This is the last bit, and then it's finished. Okay?
Yep.
There. There's my parrot.
That's how you make a parrot, is it?
That's how you make a parrot. Okay? If you want to make more things, we'll be making more things some other time.